what you're going to do is you're going to click in Canvas. You're going to click right here where it says enter the data into this spreadsheet. And what you'll need to do is make a copy of it. So when you click, it'll open up a spreadsheet. And then in order to use it, you'll need to, oh, apparently I'm not signed in. Sorry. Trying so hard to keep us safe that they logged me out. And sorry about this, but I have to use my phone.
Whoa.
Well, it's making me. Okay. All right. So what you'll do is make a copy, and then you'll just put in whatever you saw, and I'll make up something so that you can see what it looks like when you put the data in. So let's say I saw 2 springtails, a mite, and 1 other organism. See how this number over here changes? It was some weird thing, and now it says 62.5%. So that's the number that you want to put. That number basically tells you, it's a ranking of the diversity of the organisms that you saw. The most diverse would be 100%, the least diverse would be 0%, but nobody's going to get either of those. If you didn't see anything, then you didn't see anything. What you're going to put on your data sheet is where it says soil organisms present, you're going to put your totals. So if I were doing this one, where it says soil organisms present, I would write springtail, 2, mite, 1, other, 1. And then below that, it says soil organism diversity, and that's where I would put the 62.5%. If we had more time, we would have collected samples from each of your sites, and you put all that data on your data sheet. Realistically, that isn't going to happen. So instead of doing all of them, you just did one of them, or maybe you combined. So it doesn't really matter where you write it. You can write it anywhere here. Some blanks. But what I want you to do is make that calculation. Make that calculation in the spreadsheet, and then record your data. And then there's an assignment on Canvas called Decomposition Study Progress Check 2. And I want you to take a picture of your data sheet and submit it, and then put your data sheet in the bin. There are a whole bunch of you who don't seem to have your data sheets. That's why I want to keep up, because I'm not sure what happened. I'm not sure where they went. It's possible that I had them and misplaced them, or I don't actually know. But ideally what would happen is as soon as you're done recording data, you put it in the bin, and that way I always know where to look. I always know where to find it. Yeah, because I'm not seeing any other ones, so
Put 0
I'm not sure where they are. And then that gets submitted into the progress check 2. And then once you've got that turned in, if you have a little bit of extra time, you could keep cleaning up. There's still, I see some soil back there that could still get put into the bucket, and tables can get wiped off. But your top priority is to make sure that you get the work turned in. Yeah. You just put zeros. It's okay. Yeah.